Let's see if everyone can come on video. I would love to see your face. Deepak, Janavi, Rasika, Madhava, Mayuk, Manmai. I know Balavrinda, Vaidehi, Madhav, Tushita, Subhadra. All of them are here. Very nice. Nice to see you all. Very good. Okay, so let's get started with our prayers. Okay? Hare Krishna. Thank you all for joining. Hare Krishna.
हाँ बेटा क्या था स्टोरी वाह
Hare Krishna. Okay, welcome to Sangha Damodar Krishna. Hare Krishna. Shall we all start doing the Mangalacharan, the prayers together? Yes. Ajnanatimirandasya
Prabhu
Very nice. Good job. Good job, all of you. Okay. Are you ready for story time?
Yes, Mataji. Yeah, Mataji.
So today we'll have two stories, okay? Two stories. I want you to listen carefully. I will ask questions on both the stories, okay? Okay. The first story on Gauranga Mahaprabhu is about who is this personality? Do you know? Who is this wearing a blue color dress? We just celebrated
Nityananda Prabhu.
Ah,
Prabhu.
Nityananda Prabhu. Okay.
Nityananda Prabhu.
Yes, yes. It is Nityananda Prabhu. Very good. So, okay, now Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has already taken sannyas and everything, right? So, he is ready to go to Jagannath Puri. So, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu, and many of their associates went together, okay, to Jagannath Puri Dham. And along the way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, because he is taken sannyas, right? You remember? Hi, Janavi. He's taken sannyas, right? So he has a danda, a stick. Okay, this is a sannyas stick, and because he took sannyas from the Mayavadi sannyasi, that's why he was supposed to. He has a single stick, one stick. Okay, ekadanda. So Nityananda Prabhu, along the way, he took that stick. And what did he do? He broke it into 3 parts. How many parts?
3.
3. Yes. Why did he do that? Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Yes, very good. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas from, who is it? Let's see. He took a sannyas. Very good. Good job, buddy. Good job.
Bharati.
So because of that, Keshav Bharati belonged to the Shankaracharya school of thought. Okay. So because of that, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has a single stick. So Nityananda Prabhu did not like that. He decided that this one danda needs to be made into 3. He should use a 3 danda instead of ekadanta. Ekadanta means one stick. So that's why he broke it into 3 parts. Now, seeing this, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu became so angry and he said, "Why did you break my stick? Because you have done that, I am going to go alone to Jagannath Puri. I don't want to go with you." And like that, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he just ran on his own. You see him running towards Jagannath Puri temple. So after this happened, now because Nityananda Prabhu and his associates, they came later, right? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ran on his own. Because of that, when he entered Lord Jagannath's temple, people, they didn't know who Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is in Puri, right? So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went there, he took darshan of the deities, and in that ecstasy, he became unconscious. He fainted. Okay. So when the people saw that, some of them, including the pandas, they were like, "Okay, this is very bad. You should not be doing something like this here." They were ready to beat up Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But then some other people interfered and they said, "No, no, wait, something is really wrong with him. Let's go check him out." So they all decided to take him to Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya's house, okay, which is very close to the temple. So there, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, he was analyzing. He's a much more senior devotee, and he started seeing, okay, what is going on here? He's not even breathing. He doesn't have a heartbeat. Can we live without a heartbeat?
No.
No, right. As long as the body is alive, the heart is beating. Yeah. So he was like, okay. Yeah, for normal people. Okay. So he understood that only very advanced yogis can go into the stage. What is the stage called? Nirvikalpa Samadhi. Can you repeat after me? Nirvikalpa Samadhi. Very good. Ah. Later, when I see you both, Balaprita and Jahnavi, you both are big naughty. Okay, so after some time, due to when they all started, so Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's associates, they came there and they were wondering, where did he go? He said he's going to the temple. He's not in the temple. Where did Chaitanya Mahaprabhu go? Like that, when they inquired around, they found out that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was taken to Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya's house. And there they all decide, okay, fine, no, we cannot revive Chaitanya Mahaprabhu simply. You have to chant the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. Like that, when Sankirtan is going on, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wakes up and yes, okay. And when he came to external consciousness, he started, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya said, oh wow, you look really, he looks very effulgent. So Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya decides to start having discussions on the different philosophy, scriptures, everything. Okay. So Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, he couldn't understand what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's position is. So he just decided, let me only share what all, what is important, what is the philosophy like. But Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya has a brother, his cousin brother. Okay, he is Gopinath Acharya. So because of Gopinath Acharya, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya is going to receive the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Okay, so he started teaching Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He was teaching the scriptures for 7 days, the Vedanta Sutras. He started telling Chaitanya Mahaprabhu all of it and his interpretations, okay, to the Vedanta Sutra. And after 7 days of speaking, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is sitting like that. And so he said, okay, why aren't you saying anything? It's been 7 days that I have been talking about the Vedanta Sutra and you have no questions. I don't even know if you're understanding or not. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, see, I understand what the verses are saying very clearly, but I don't understand what you are explaining. So like this, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said that, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya was surprised. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he started explaining the very famous Atma Rama verse. So he was explaining that in so many different ways. And that convinced Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya that Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is not an ordinary soul. He is an exceptional personality. So with Gopinath Acharya's advice and Lord Chaitanya's blessings, he completely understood what Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's position is. Okay. Oh, who is Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya? He was actually Brihaspati, who came down to the earthly planet for pastimes with the Lord. But because he had taken a human birth and had the association of all the Mayavadi Pandits in Navadvip and Jagannath Puri, he became so entangled in this philosophy. So what are we understanding from the story? Okay, I have a very, very important point here that we all should understand. Okay, what is it? There is a big danger in this world. What is the danger? Right now, okay, some of us are born in devotee families, some of us have become nice devotees, right? So there is a danger. What is it? We may think that this life, okay, let me go, let me enjoy some things, I'll take to devotional service later. Okay, next life I'll be born as a devotee. So if even though that may happen, sometimes you may be born in a devotee family, sometimes you may not be born. And if you are born as a devotee, but It is a rich family. So much of opulence is there around you. You might just be going with the flow. You might just be entangled in everything in this material world, and you'll completely forget your previous spiritual life, your devotional service. So it is, even if it is a devotee like Brihaspati, he is a demigod, right? He's a guru of all the demigods. So he should have known things much better. But what happens, even if it's a devotee who is going to, I mean, if a person is born in a devotee family or born as a devotee or meet devotees, it might sometimes be very difficult for them to get into the practice of devotional service. Okay, so before I get to the questions, I would like to say something here. Okay, today is our dearest Jahnavi's birthday. Okay, today, yes, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur's appearance day, and also our dearest Jahnavi's birthday. What do we all do? Shall we wish her?
Even Prahlad is born on the same day, Mataji. Prahlad is there on the call. Saroja Nandini Mataji's son.
Oh, Prahlad.
He's there. Raghav is there on the call.
No, Mataji. Raghav
Oh,
is
he's not there. Okay. We'll wish him on Govinda.
Mataji.
I think next day, Mataji, Prahlad birthday.
Jahnavi.
Let's wish
He's
Jahnavi.
also born on the same day, Mataji. He's also born on the same day. Yes, Mataji, same day.
Mataji,
Prahlad. Oh, Balavrinda wants to show. Let's wish Jahnavi together. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Jahnavi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jahnavi.
Okay, so let's see. Okay, shall we all wish her one time nicely together? Okay. Happy
Yes.
birthday, Jahnavi.
Happy birthday, Jahnavi. Thank you. Mataji,
Yes.
this is Shubhadra. I'm my birthday for Jahnavi. My birthday starts on March 17.
What do you mean by starts on? Your birthday is on March 17th?
Yes, Mataji.
Oh, very nice.
You know, Indu Mataji is also March birthday.
Yes, we'll celebrate our birthdays together. Okay.
Mataji, look, I have a card for Jahnavi. Jahnavi can read it.
Vrinda, please post your card in the group. Okay. Thank you so much. all
Yeah,
of you.
you can read it. You can read it, Jahnavi.
One sec. Let me spotlight. Jahnavi, I love you. I pray to
Krishna that you learn all the chapter of Bhagavad Gita next birthday. Thank you, Balavrinda.
Very nice. Okay, I'm going to go back and very nice, wonderful, Vrinda. You're so sweet.
Mataji, Jahnavi's my friend. That's why I do it for her.
Yes.
Okay.
Continue. Okay, now you had a break. Let me see if you will remember. Okay.
Sure.
So I have some questions. First question. How many pieces did Lord Nityananda break the danda? What happened to Lord Chaitanya when he saw Lord Jagannath in Puri? What happened to him? Very good, very good. He fainted.
He fell unconsciousness.
Yes, he fell unconscious. Yes, very good. Who took Lord Chaitanya to their place? Or whose place did he go to?
Jagannath.
Okay, yes, Jagannath Puri. But whose house? Very good. Bhattacharya. Very good, very good. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. Will you say the name?
Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya.
Very good. What is the danger of not taking Krishna consciousness seriously in this life? Who wants to answer? What is the danger if we don't take Krishna consciousness seriously? What will happen to us?
You'll take a birth again. You have to take it back.
We have to take a birth.
Everything.
Yeah, and we don't know if we will be devotees in that life or not, right? Yes. Thank you so much. You all do so awesome and you're such good listeners. Shall we move on to the rhyme and shloka? And let's ask Anjana Gopika Mataji to please take over. Hare Krishna Mataji, Dandvat Pranam Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hi, Mommy.
Hare Krishna, everyone. Okay, we'll do the sloka first. And after that, we'll do the rhyme, okay?
Okay, Mataji.
Okay. Natva evam datunasam.
Nattveham jatunasam.
Tvam neme danatvaha. Na chaiva na bhavisyamaha. Sarve vayam ata param. Natva evaham jatunasam. Natvam neme janadipaha. Saivana bhavisyamaha. Param. Natva evaham jatunasam. Neme janadipaha. Saivana bhavisyamaha. Sarve vayam mata param. Okay, we'll go to now the break room. Okay. Okay, I am little Krishna, dark and cute. This is my calf and this is my flute. When Vrindavan sleeping, play my flute.
When Vrindavan sleeping, I play my flute.
To invite the gopis to dance to my tune.
You invite the gopis to dance to my tune.
I am little Krishna, dark and pure.
I am little Krishna.
This is my time and this is my flute.
This is my song and this is my flute.
When Vrindavan is sleeping, I play my flute.
When Vrindavan is sleeping, I play my flute.
With to dance to my tune.
Invite the gopis to dance to invite the
Okay,
gopis
we will go to the
dance
break
to my
now.
tunes.
We'll go to
Mataji,
the
can
break room.
Subhadra go?
Yes,
Mataji,
Subhadra.
Subhadra and Giridhari go?
Yes, Giridhari, you can.
Okay, Bandagani. Mataji, can Subhadra and Giridhari go? Natva evam jatunasam natva me janadipah nasaiva na bhavishyamah sarvayam mataparam. I am little Krishna, dark and cute. This is my calf and this is my flute. When Vrindavan's sleeping, I play my flute to invite the gopis to dance to my tune. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Thank you so much, Madhav. Can you go Madhav after that, Palvi?
Mataji.
Yeah, see. Natvevaham.
So shy.
Oh, Mataji, I'll be just right back. Sorry.
Yes, Madhava. Sarve vayam atah. Madhava, can you do this rhyme also? I didn't hear you.
Can Bhavat go?
Yes.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Natvevam jatu nasam.
Natvevam
Vevam jatu nasam.
Jadunasam. Jadapaha.
Natvam neme
Natvam neme
janadipa.
Janadipa.
Na cheva na bhavishyam. Na cheva
Nacheva
na bhavishyama.
Nabhavishyama.
Sarve vayam
Sarvayam
prataparam.
Ataparam.
Rhyme.
I am little Krishna, dark and cute. This is my calf and this is my flute. When Vrindavan was sleeping, I play my flute to invite the gopi to dance in my tune.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you.
Thank you, Palvi. Now Madhava or Madhav? Anybody? Madhava already did the sloka. Madhava, can you do the rhyme?
Okay, Mataji, Madhav did not do the shloka yet. Can he go now?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Yeah. See. Natvevaham
Natvavanham
jatunasam.
Satununasam
Natvam neme
Nitvanene
janadipaha.
Janadipaha
न चैव
Natsaya.
न भविष्यामः
Nice. Sama.
न भविष्यामः
Nice. Pajama.
सर्वे
Save.
वयं तः
Vayam tava.
परम.
Pavam.
Okay, now you see the rhyme. Okay. I am little Krishna.
My with the kids. That's dancing cute.
This is my car.
Dolphin energy is 5 fields. Teacher is doing.
When Vrindavan is sleeping.
Target fields.
Yes, when Vrindavan is sleeping.
Oh, when the one is sleeping.
I play my flute
When I feel.
to invite the gopis.
I want to go base.
To dance to my tune.
Sociations.
Yeah, see. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Manachi.
Thank you. Idanavi want to go? Yes. Say Natwa evam. Natwa evam.
Natwa evam yudunasam. Natwa evam dhanadipaham. Natwa evam varishamaham.
Nicely.
Sarva.
Survey one.
Sarve vayamataparam. What?
Never.
Oh, since such a fun. Never was there a time when I did not exist, nor you, nor all these kings, nor the future shall be any of us to be.
Thank you, Danavi. Oh, rhyme. Okay, rhyme.
I am little Krishna, thank you. This is my cat, and this is my flute. When Vrindavan is sleeping, I play my flute. Say right, the gopis to dance to my tune.
Malavindra is not there. Okay, now who want to go next? Madhava. Madhava, can you go to the rhyme? Deepak, do you want to go next?
Yes, no, Mataji.
You don't want to go?
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Mayu, go. Mayu want to go. Mayu, go ahead.
I am a Victor Krishna dog and you. This is my coffin. This is my fruit. When Vrindavan is sleeping, I play my flute to invite the gopis to dance to my tunes. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you. Manmay Krishna, do you want to go next? Okay, nobody is there. Anybody say whose appearance day is today? Anybody? Do you know? Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Maharaj, yes?
Hare Krishna Mataji, it's Deepak. My sister said she wanted a chance. Now she's starting to cry.
Okay, let her to do.
Go. Natvevam jatunasam. Natvevam jatunasam. Natvevam janadipaha. After this, I know this. Natve no Natve Janadipah Natweham Janipah Janadipah Na chaiva na bhavishyamah Na chaiva bhavishyamah Sarve vayam ataparam Vayam ataparam I know this right. I am little Krishna, dark and cute. This is my flute and this is my calf. Okay, this is my calf and this is my flute. When Vrindavan is sleeping, I play my flute to invite the gopis to dance to my tunes. Hare Krishna Mataji, thank you.
Hare Krishna, it's a very nice.
Can you shut that down?
Anybody else? Okay, now we can end the call. We can pay our obeisances to all the Vaishnava devotees. Vancha kalpataruvesya kripa bhatha.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Bye. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yes, Hari Bol.
Mataji.
Yes. Hari Bol, thank you so much.
Ancha.
Yes, Mataji, we can end, Mataji.
Kalpataruvesya kripa sindhuvya eva cha padidana bhavaneto vainavebhyo namo namah. Jai Mataji ki jai, Arjuna Mataji ki jai.